First of all, this is extremely embarrassing. But anyway, I like Yuneec. I've had a lot of fun flying my 1-year-old Typhoon H. It's a marvel of technology. One thing bugged me since I bought it, though. Since I record a lot of sunrises and sunsets, I always absolutely despised that stupid purple lens flare. So when I saw all the YouTube videos showing how easy it was to replace the lens and how beautiful it would look to get rid of whatever coating is causing it, I finally decided to go for it. Easy, not too expensive, so yeah. I bought the Pew 3.97 lens. Yay! It arrived and I watched the disassembly videos again, then started tearing it down. All went perfect until I tried to unscrew the lens. It broke off rather than unscrewed. No threads were left inside either. Uh-oh. Let's see if we can glue it back on. No, can't do that. Video now shows it to be out of focus. So let's consult Pew. I found a note on their website talking about needing a new lens housing if you have a later camera model, so I ordered one. No problem, right? I found more videos about disassembly with the mount. I don't know why they hadn't popped up on a previous search. I just can't explain that. Anyway, I get down to the sensor board again and take one screw off the housing. So far, so good. I notice that the other screw has a stripped Phillips head in it. Uh-oh again. Out comes the Dremel. Working very slowly to avoid overheating the board, I removed the screw head. Feeling very cocky, I installed the new lens housing and lens. Put everything back together and did a pretty good focus job before even flying it. Then I flew it. The oversaturated areas showed banding, like how some cameras mark those areas on the screen, but these were on the final save video files. Heart sunk. Video sensor board is trashed. I didn't even feel like working on making the lens parallel to the sensor. What's the use at this point? Maybe I'll find another use for this drone. It would make a great agricultural platform for a fixed camera if Yuneec hadn't crippled the software for mapping. Well, I'll find something else to do with it eventually. Anyway, this is my public service announcement, and just be real careful when you go into it. And if you ever have to remove one of those housings, just break the plastic off. Don't try to take the head off the screw. So let's get right down to it. Whose fault is this anyway? Is it Yuneec's? Is it Pew's? Nah, it's mine. I pretty much knew the risk when I was going in. Really didn't expect to see a lot of the things that I saw. But still, it's my fault. So what can I say? Well, if I can keep even one of you guys from making the same mistake I did, is jumping ahead thinking you know what you're doing from just some YouTube videos, then my work to put this together was definitely worth it. So thanks for watching, and good luck to you.